Hi, I'm Dorcas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google map onto your WordPress website without the use of a theme or plugin. So this works for any WordPress website and you don't need to install a plugin to do this. So let's go to our WordPress dashboards. And this time, instead of putting my map on a specific page, I wanted to go into the widget area, which is the sidebar. So you can have widgets in the sidebar or the footer. I'm going to go to Appearance, Widgets. And when it loads up, you can see here this primary sidebar. I want to put my map at the top of this here. So this primary sidebar, just so you see, this corresponds to this sidebar here. The appearance will look slightly different depending on the theme that you're using. I'm using the theme Virtue at the moment, the free version of Virtue. So I'm going to open up so you can just see I have here a tab where I have Google Maps open, and I'm going to search for my business. So let's pretend that I'm making a website for the UC Smurfit Graduate School. So what I'm not doing in this video is showing you how to sign up with Google Maps and make sure you get the marker and so on there. But let's say I've already done that, or someone's already done that. So then what I do is, as with all embedding, you click share, but it's not this link you take, you want to take the embed code. You can see there's different options here, like small, there's, for example, large, there's even custom size where I could type out that I want, for example, a small map. Let's say I want the map to be, say, 250 by 250. And you can see, for example, once I copy this code and put it in my website, if I want it bigger or smaller, I could just come back here and easily change it. So I take this embed code, and I'm really careful to make sure I get all of it. So I could either start here and try to copy it, or else just Control A, copies all, Control C, or else right click and copy, or Command and copy if you're on a Mac. So I've copied the codes, and I go back to my WordPress website, and I want to put this into my sidebar. So I need to get a widget and drag it over into the area where I want to put it, and then I'll paste in my code that I've copied. So this widget here, custom HTML, that's the one I need to use to paste in embed code. To get that over into the primary sidebar, I can simply just click and drag it over, or I just delete it for a moment, or I can click on it, and then in the drop down select where I want it to go. So I want it to go to the primary sidebar, click add widget, and as you can see, if I want it up the top, I simply just drag it around. So to put the code in there, I just click this little down arrow to open it up, and then the title is optional, but I might say, for example, come visit us, and then I just paste in the codes, hit save, and then go to my preview. So I should be seeing this in my sidebar when I refresh the page. So I refresh, and then you can see the Google map appears there. It's in the same dimensions that I set it as. And the really nice thing is that it's interactive. So for example, people can click here and it will bring them to Google Maps automatically. Also, if I was on my mobile phone, I could touch this and automatically it would open up the sat nav or whatever app on my phone. So it's really, really useful and really, really simple to do. So check out the other videos in the links below, and I hope these are useful for you for your WordPress website. Thanks.